Please subscribe to Morena CEBUANA.
Nice. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is our 2020 race wheels. This is the DR. right, there was a metal piece here inside here that holds this. So I didn't see any purpose for that except for holding this bolt. But there was a big piece right here, and that's where it was hitting, and now I made a lot of space. Keep in mind, I'm doing all this, but I'm still lifting the car. Okay, I wanted to try it before I lifted the car. I wanted to try to fit it, so it's gonna be a lot better with the lift, 1.75 lift. So this is what I removed. This piece, I didn't see any purpose of this except to hold this bolt where this hole is. So now, after I remove this, I have a lot of room, and I'll have a lot more room after I lift the car. So like I said, we're doing 1.75 higher in the front because honestly I still want the rear to be higher than the front. I'm not ready to fully level it. I know the 2-inch would level it perfectly, but with load in the back, or if I'm towing, I don't want the back to sink. 1.75 I think is perfect in my opinion. You know, so that's what I'm going with. That's going to be lifted tomorrow, but like I said, before I put the leveling kit, I wanted to show that it clears perfectly with no scrapes on a 35, no lift. All you have to do, in summary, is to push that in, push the plastic in, remove this, and pretty much bolt down the felt cover, whatever this cover is made of. But the fender cover, I mean, the fender cover is all original, no cut whatsoever. No cut. I did not cut anything. Everything is just pushed back with clips that can be bought at AutoZone or Pep Boys, or like where I went, Advanced Auto Parts. It's cutting it close, but it's not hitting. No scrapes whatsoever. So when this is lifted by 1.75 or 2 inches, it will be so much better. Mom, can you turn the wheel to the right, please?